Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Walmart telescope, a full guide for beginners. First, let's unpack your new telescope and identify all the components, ensuring nothing is missing. Familiarize yourself with the tripod, optical tube, and various eyepieces. Always review the included instruction manual for specific model details. Understanding each part is crucial for a smooth first experience and successful stargazing. Make sure to keep all original packaging for potential future needs. Assembling your telescope is straightforward with a few key steps. Begin by setting up the sturdy tripod on level ground, extending its legs fully for maximum stability. Next, carefully attach the main optical tube to the tripod's mount, securing it tightly with the provided screws or clamps. Finally, select an eyepiece, usually the one with the highest number like a 25mm, and gently insert it into the focuser for your initial viewing. This setup provides a wide field of view. Learning to focus is crucial for clear views. During daylight, practice on a distant object like a tree about 100 yards away, adjusting the focus knob until crisp. At night, once you've aimed with your finder scope, look through the main eyepiece. Slowly turn the focusing knob until stars appear as sharp points of light, not blurry smudges. Remember, slight adjustments can make a big difference in image clarity, especially when observing the moon or planets. To truly enjoy stargazing, location matters immensely. Seek out dark sky areas, far from light pollution, to reveal fainter objects. Give your telescope about 30 minutes outdoors to cool down to the ambient temperature, preventing heat currents from distorting your views. Additionally, using a dim red light flashlight will protect your night vision, which can take up to 20 minutes to fully adapt. This thoughtful preparation will greatly enhance your celestial observations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.